What's up, gang? It's your girl Dior, and I am back with a mini vlog for today. And I guess I'll just start off by saying, if you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. Yeah. Anyways, so basically, I'm kind of all over the place right now. I literally got up a couple of hours ago, so I have to hurry up and get some stuff done before I go into work later on. So I don't know. We're gonna see how this gonna work out because this is kind of my first time doing this in a long time. Give me 1 second. Had to get some of that nature's juice, you know. But so a little bit that is on the agenda today. I do need to, like I said, get my day started. I'm about to wash my face, hop in the shower really quick, and I'm gonna have to do my makeup because I have to do some stuff for OnlyFans. And actually, you guys gonna be helping me, or I'm gonna be picking out an outfit as well. I kind of see it in my head how I want it to go, but I don't know. We just gonna have to see how it works out. But I hope everybody is doing well. Before we continue on, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and also don't forget to comment what you guys want to see down below. But let's go ahead and hop into it. I guess I need to get my face wash and stuff. Okay, so I have to basically, like I said, I need to fix my thing too, probably my scarf. Let's see. Okay, well, the baby hair still laid down from yesterday, so that's good. And I think I'm gonna probably do a video on these eventually. I don't know. This set is kind of giving me a hard time. And actually, if it looks weird, it's because my mirror's right there, so I'm just using this as like a mirror. But I need to oil my scalp because it was itching so bad yesterday, and I did not get to do it yesterday. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. And I kind of like to do this before I get in the shower because I feel like the steam, you know, from the shower also helps with my scalp, or like help the oil. I feel like the steam from my shower helps the oil with my steep into my scalp. So I usually like to do this before I get in the shower. And like I said, my scalp was itching so bad yesterday. And when my scalp itches, that means that my scalp is dry. So yeah, we're just gonna do that like so. Ooh, that feels so good, y'all. And I'm just using the Oars Hair Repair Coconut and Baboa oil. So this is what it looks like. But that's what I'm using. Feels so much better. Sometimes I'll use some tea tree oil too, but I don't feel like pulling that out right now and doing all that. But I'm gonna let that soak in. And I'm about to put this scarf back on and get ready to get in the shower. So I hope everybody's doing well. I'm doing all right. You know, I'm alive. I can't complain. Let's see. Ooh, that feels so much better, y'all. I don't know what it is. I feel like with the hair, because it's synthetic, I feel like it also kind of dries my scalp out a little bit more. Because when I do these, I usually use, sometimes I'll use gel, but I try not to, just because that adds product buildup on my scalp, and that will cause, basically, it's like I have to wash my hair sooner. So I will typically use an edge control because it's more kind of like oil based, I guess you could say. So my scalp doesn't get too dry, but I feel like it's the synthetic hair that's also causing my scalp to itch. So I try to basically oil my scalp once a day. And I've always kind of been like that ever since I was little. My hair just soaks up oil super fast. Um, my sister's hair is kind of like the same way, but that is what I try to do for my hair. Um, and then, like I said, with the age control that's in there, it's not gel, so it doesn't dry my hair out too bad. But yeah, anyways, I have so many ideas for my channel, and I got a lot of story times. Just a quick little talk. I have a lot of story times. It was some I was like thinking, okay, I'm not gonna say anything because I don't want to, I don't know, like I'm not the type of person that tries to expose people like that. Like I don't have, who has time for that, you feel me? So before I was thinking like, okay, I should do story times, or no, I was thinking I'm not gonna do story times because I don't feel like exposing people, but at the same time my story might be able to help somebody out there. So I have a lot of story times I'm gonna be giving you guys, especially from this whole this past year, like with this whole pandemic and everything that we have going on. So just be on the lookout for that. Oh, today what else do I have to do? I have to film a what's inside of my dance bag, so I have to for sure get that done. I don't know if I might do it literally after I do my makeup, so like I could just get it out of the way. I am trying to work on having content saved up so I can just upload. I recently uploaded like 3 videos this week. I will have those linked down below. There's some get readies with me, but y'all kind of get the gist of what I'm trying to, y'all get the gist of what I'm saying. So I guess we just gonna go ahead and take this party to the bathroom, El Baño, you know? I like to wash my face at least 2 or 3 times before everything's off. Right there. But okay, y'all, so I'm back. It's a big difference. After I got out the shower, I just straight up went and hopped and started doing my makeup, and I just basically just finished. I actually started packing up my makeup for the next couple of days. I am actually, let me just start all over. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm about to record what's inside of my dance bag, and then I'm gonna finish packing up my bag, and I guess I will come back in to check with you guys. I have not even picked out my OnlyFans outfit, so let's hope I can get this done within a reasonable time before I have to leave for work. And do you guys like my makeup? I think I did so good. My skin is just it's popping right now. So as of right now, like I said, I'm about to film what's in my dance bag. So by the time this video goes up, I should have that listed down below. But I just wanted to come in and check with you guys. I was gonna try to film me doing my makeup, but it was just gonna be entirely too much. Another thing I wanted to say, if you guys do hear anything in the background, that is because I have my fan going. It is hotter than jalapeno coochie right now. So yeah, but I will be back. And okay, y'all, so I just finally finished my what's in my dance bag video, and let me tell y'all, I had to clear out some storage just so I can have space to finish that out. So I guess now, I don't even know, I think my ride is on his way. I'm not really sure what's going on with him right now, but I do need to finish packing up a bag. So yeah, and actually I need to get an outfit for work, so I need to start lollygagging. Let me see, I don't even know what I want to wear tonight. I mean, I know what I'm gonna wear tonight, but it is burning up right now. Like, I'm burning up right now. That's how hot it is. And what did I do? There's my lip liner. Put my lipstick on a little bit, you know. This is like my first time using them, and this came inside like my Ipsy bag, but this is the Milk Makeup, and this is a lip and cheek, I guess, whatever, but yeah, okay, whatever this thing is, it's called Work, but that's what I have on my lips, along with my Ruby Kisses auto lip liner, and I don't even know what color this is, but yeah. And I am sweating right now. Like, can y'all see my neck? But actually, what I do need to do though is get some thumbnails, so let me go ahead and do that. Actually, I need to get one for here, so let me. Okay, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is get them thumbnails popping. Okay, y'all, so I had to basically lay my baby hairs down and get this hair out of my face because it is entirely too motherfucking hot for this right now. So I'm about to spray some perfume on and get ready to, sorry, I'm trying not to have that light right in y'all face, but it's too hot for this. I'm ready to go. This vlog is almost up, I guess we could say, though, because after I get up out of here, that's it, that's all. But I gotta put my socks on. So that way when I get downstairs, I can just throw my sneakers on and go about my business for y'all.
Alright, y'all, so I lied. This video is basically over. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little mini vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And be on the lookout for some of my new videos. I will have them linked down below. Thanks for watching. Stay bougie.
I want to touch up my makeup, but I'm going to wait till I get in